doing well. Today I'm going to show you some things which in real life are things considered to be a waste because of some damage to it. But we will look at it in a very different way. These things are not only going to help decorate your spaces, your living spaces, but also can be used as gifting options. So please do watch until the end. And if you like at any given point during the video, if you anytime like the video, please do like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming with more such videos in the near future, at least every week if possible. So yes, please do enjoy. So to begin with, I'm going to show you these bottles, glass bottles on which some kind of artwork has been done. So let me show you what kind of work has been carried out on each of these bottles. So the first one I'm going to show you is this. So there is I've done some decoupage artwork on it, and I've used a colored jute thread to give it a rustic look. And I've used this flower, it's an artificial flower, it's made out of corn husk, and I have attached to the bottle. So this can be used to decorate your houses, and also this can be used as for gifting purposes. The next again is a glass bottle. I've given it a golden base, so this to just retain its original design. I've used a peacock decoupage tissue, and I put in some lights so that it gives it a very good look. So this is how it looks, very simple, and these lights are battery operated, so all you have to do is just put them in and close this. So you have a button here, switch it off, switch it on. That's all it is. So it's quite easy and it's nice, it's portable. The next, these two are simple, this is a wine bottle, so simple designs done on it, and again these threads are used to give it a very rustic look. And this bottle, I have retained the original bottle itself, no painting work done on it, because, and also I've inserted these lights, the ones I showed you earlier. So these lights again, see when I switch it on, it's a very nice look. So the bottle itself is pretty, so I thought why not leave as it is. And here is another one. So this is something interesting what we do. Again, these are bottles which was left as waste. Now these things what you see here are eggshells. All these are eggshells, and even these powdered ones are eggshells. And again I have put in these lights to give it a beautiful look. When it is dark, it just is so bright and so beautiful. So yeah, that's about these bottles. Let's go to the next one. So next is this wonderful Jadi. So right now it's serving as a planter in my house. See how beautiful it is. This Jadi was actually lying in the attic for almost many years. You may ask why not reuse it. The reason is because it has some some damages at the bottom which cannot handle stuff, because it may lead to leakages and stuff like that. So I didn't want to throw it away, so instead I have made this into a beautiful container, a planter for my money plant. Again, decoupage art done on it. I've given it a coat of varnish to give you that gloss. Can you see that? Yeah, so, and I've put in a beautiful plant. That's the money plant, which easily grows in any given situation. I have put this in a bottle of water, and here it is, my money plant. Beautiful, isn't it? The next most interesting thing that can be reused, repurposed are these trunks. So I'm sure most of you know what this is. So this again belongs to my dad. So he was in the Air Force, and he kept traveling, carrying this trunk along with him. Post retirement, this again went into the attic. So during one such cleanup, I found this and I wanted to reuse this. Now this not only adds beauty to my living room, it also holds old newspapers. So let me show you how this works. So this is how it looks. So it kind of holds my money plant and all those things, and just below it, inside the container, we have stored old newspapers. So this has twin purposes. One, storage for old newspaper. Second, adding beauty to the living room. So it holds my money plant and other vases. So here it goes. So once you put in all your old newspaper, it becomes a beautiful part of your living room. So yes, and so it was initially black in color, so I've coated this with black paint and I've just given some designs with gold paint. So you can do as you wish. You can also use decoupage artwork on this. So this is how it looks. It looks like a treasure box now. So another reason not to just dispose these trunks off. So this is another piece of work that is a part of my living room. Now this is all handmade, done by me. So if you can see, I'll make you a little closer. These are all aluminium foils. So when I went completely away from aluminium foils and stuff like that, there was a lot of these things which were pending. I didn't want to throw them away, so instead I've used to make this kind of an artwork. It's really good. So the base is, you get the sheet in Itsy Bitsy. So this is, I don't remember the price, but you get the sheet. It's light. So I've just hung this with these hooks, and I've used small mirror to just give it that nice, nice look to it. So this is how it looks, and below that I've kept a nice aquarium with a lot of fishes and a terrarium bowl and a money plant on a tortoise planter. And behind it, guess what? Sanitizer, because it's just right next to the main door. So anybody comes in has to use a sanitizer before getting into my house. This, another beautiful planter. So this is actually a protein box, protein powder, which you get these gymnasts use, So these are such containers. So again, use decoupage art, and I've kept this snake plant on it. So this is just right next to my main door, and whatever water I pour here is collected at the base. So I just clean it up about once in a week. And yes, so this is one of the beautiful ones, and this was also featured in beautiful Bengaluru, the monthly competitions which you have, and it won second prize for me. So yeah, that's how it is. The next thing you will see is are these kind of things. So I love Buddha, so you will find a lot of Buddha things at my place. So here is something different. So this is a singing bowl. This is from some kind of a gift. And this one again is a very nice decorative piece, and also is a very beautiful gift. So if you can see, this is a piece of wood. So this part I got from Itsy Bitsy. This is the size. And this I've used black base and Buddha stencil. So I've used golden colors to cover the stencil, and this is how it looks. So again, a very good gifting purpose. And this actually can be hung on the wall, but since I didn't have the carpenter coming in, I couldn't actually drill nails into the wall. So I thought, for now, let me keep it here. But it's working out good. So anybody comes into my house also, the first thing they notice is this, and it's beautiful. Another piece at my place, which is again quite old, but has added to the beauty of my living room is this. Another bunny, a bigger one indeed. So this was again lying in the attic, and I have used this to just put in some flowers, some artificial flowers. Again, all these are made out of corn husk, wood and things like that. And I've also kept in two peacock feathers to just give it a good look. And I've not used any colors onto it. I've just left as it is. It's giving that very, traditional look. So it's a beautiful piece. So please do not dispose of these things. It's got a great value to it. I've never seen my great grandparents, but yes, something from them is at my place. So it gives me such pride. Another thing which can be reused are these things. So my son goes to Eurokids, and he's in play school. So they make these things out there and they send it home. So rather than throwing it off or disposing it, so what I've done is, so this is something which they have done. So I've just fixed two magnets into it and stuck onto the fridge. So this not only keeps him happy, but it also gives a very cute touch to the entire fridge. So do not, what I mean to say is just do not throw these things off. Make some use for them too. So they feel so involved and so good about it, and it encourages them to do more. So another addition to the living room is this. So here I have a beautiful snake plant growing in a pot, and let me tell you, this is just the black pot, the plastic plots which you get. I've done some decoupage artwork on it, and my snake plant is happily growing in it, adding a lot more oxygen to the living room. And on it I have used a brass lamp. This is it. So I've got this as a gift, and these light candle holders. So these are from Home Center. So I got these two pieces at the cost of 199, and let me show you what these things are standing on. So this is actually an old planter which I had made, but since it had some some cracks and some leakages to it, I thought let me make you some kind of a use for it. And this again is a wooden piece which I got from Itsy Bitsy. So I have actually used given it a good stain color, and I've given it a touch of varnish, a coat of varnish, to give it a very nice look, and it doesn't the stain doesn't go off easily. So yes, so some such things can also be given as gifts. A very nice one indeed. Instead of giving all these plastic laden ones, these are some things which you can gift when you completely go green. So yes, so here is another piece which you can decorate your spaces with, or also use as gifts. And these are how the lighting works in the dark, and few other products. Thank you for watching my video. I will be back soon with another video. Stay safe, enjoy. Thank you.